Hello everyone, welcome back to biology lessons. In this video, I'm going to show a virtual demo about lab activity. We are going to have a food test. We have three different solutions here, the reagent, Lugol, Benedict, and Biuret. The function of Lugol is to test the presence of carbohydrate in a food sample. The function of Benedict is to test the presence of glucose in a food sample. And the function of Biuret is to test the existence of protein in a food sample. Now let's take a look. Let's start with Lugol to test the presence of starch in the food sample. I have this food sample. Let's give a few drops of Lugol. As you can see here, the initial color of Lugol is orange. But then, please take a look. The color will change if a food sample consists of starch or carbohydrate. The initial color is orange, and the final colors after the reaction is blue-black. Okay, we have the second sample here. It's a protein actually. Now, to test the presence of protein in a food sample, we can use Biuret. The initial color of Biuret is blue, but then the color will change. Okay, add some drops of Biuret into the sample. And the color will change from blue into lilac or purple. So we can conclude that this sample of food contains protein. Okay, and the last one, we have glucose here. To test the presence of glucose in the food sample, we can use Benedict reagent. Benedict is failing A plus failing B. The initial color of Benedict is blue. We can add some drops of Benedict into the food sample and then stir it well, mix it well, and then put in water bath that contains hot water and wait for some time. As you can see here, the initial color of Benedict was blue, but then it has been converted into brick red. So we can conclude that this food sample tested positive for the glucose. And then we can have another test for the presence of lipid or oil in the food sample by using ethanol. We can add some drops of ethanol and then mix it well. And if the emulsion of lipid is present, that means this food sample contains lipid. You can see here the cloudy emulsion of fat with ethanol. And we can also put a test for vitamin C that present in the food sample. So the initial color of Lugol, as you know here, it's orange. And then we can add some sample of the vitamin C and put some drop of it into the test tube and see for the reactions. As you can see here, the initial color of Lugol disappears into clear. So the food sample contains vitamin C. Subscribe. Thank you so much. Hope see you next time.